Yo, welcome to Channel Griff. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Glock 17 Gen 3. So we got the Glock 17 made by Umarex and officially licensed by Glock, as you can see right there. Now, this is blowback, fully functioning. Here's the slides forward. Obviously, when you've used your last bullet, it should lock back. Then you can add an attachment to the front, so a light, laser. As you can see, you can't unmount the back iron sight to add the red dot, which is a bit disappointing, but it's actually a nice piece. There's the mag, 18 rounds. So what you want to do, slide this. There's the piece I'm looking for. So let's get on under there. Right. So we'll get a little tool with it. Loosen that up a little bit. And you use COT. I did have Umarex, but this one is made by ASG. Goes in one side like this. Right. What you want to do? So there we go. Oh, let's have a look, see what it does. Just gonna put 5 rounds. Maybe 6. so fits 18. Now, as you can see, there's the safety. So if you try and pull this part, it's not going to pull. There's also another safety, so that sets a fire. Take that off. Won't shoot. Take the safety back off. Two more shots. There we go.